That little guy came running into the house, and it is a guy. You can see by the... Oh, let's see how quick he is. See those two dangly things right out front? Those little boxing gloves are the indication that it's a male. See how quickly they run like a mouse. Okay, that kind of scared me. Oh, and he's coming back in the house. Oh, camera. There he is. There he is. Going where he doesn't need to be. What is that, buddy? What is it, Roger? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, little guy? Should we tell him to go back outside? Roger, no, see, look, he's right here. Let's encourage him to go out before he crawls up my shirt.